Pest control coordination before landscape installation on new home construction prevents planting and mulch choices from creating long-term pest problems. When preparing for landscaping on a new build, we need a clear integrated pest management plan that aligns with planting schedules and material deliveries. Start by requiring clean soil and clean plants from suppliers and inspect root balls for live pests or eggs before acceptance. Arrange perimeter treatments prior to planting so barriers are in place before mulch and shrubs create continuous habitat. Use products and timing that are compatible with soon-to-be planted species and follow label directions. Recommend gravel or rock borders within the first foot to 2 feet next to the foundation to reduce moisture and hideouts for pests while keeping planting slightly farther out. Limit organic mulch depth to 2 inches and use well-aged or pasteurized mulch to lower the risk of fungus and beetle larvae establishing. Schedule a pest inspection after landscape completion and again at the end of the first growing season so adjustments to irrigation, pruning, or barrier treatments can be made before problems escalate. Homeowners and contractors commonly assume any mulch is fine, which invites wood-feeding insects and nesting rodents, so require specified mulch type and depth and inspect deliveries. Another frequent issue is applying treatments after planting, which is less effective than establishing a perimeter first, so plan and book pest work in the construction timeline before plants arrive. People often forget irrigation patterns and overwatered beds that attract pests, so set irrigation for deep, infrequent cycles, check for standing water, and position emitters to avoid constant wet soil at the plant collar. We built bighomeprojects.com to help connect homeowners and contractors around jobs like coordinated pre-landscape pest planning and installation. On our site, we help homeowners find local contractors and offer contractors a place to find work and discuss best practices with other professionals in our discussion community.